2026 is a year to celebrate. Today, I'm going to show you how I'm starting to plan for graduation. How did the time go so fast? Graduation is right around the corner, and today I'm going to share with you a cool idea that I got from a friend to start with my graduation prep decorating.
I'd like to ask you to check out our channel. This is a channel that myself and my best friend Lynette started. It's called Garden 1842 in Home. And if you haven't seen some of our videos, please check it out. Hit subscribe, hit like, hit comment. We typically do mostly gardening, but in the winter, we come up with other ideas to get creative on the inside of our home. So again, stick with me today.
These are my supplies that I'm going to use. The fat heads we got for our sporting events, and they're so fun. And I will show you the things that I put together and made for this project. The first thing I knew I wanted for the tree was photos. So I decided to print out 8x10 sheets at Walgreens in strips to make it look kind of like a film strip. So I cut them and then I just taped each strip together. I got 4 strips out of each sheet. And this is how they ended up looking, and I added some ribbon to it for the tree to make it bendable. The next thing I knew I wanted to use was the buttons. I order buttons every year with my photos, and I have tons of them. So I decided to add ribbon to the back. I just looped it through the pin, and then I just added some glue just to hold the ribbon in place. And I think they turned out pretty cute. And I have a lot of those, so they will go on the tree as ornaments. The next thing I did was hit Dollar Tree just to see what I could find. And I found these football plastic plates, but I wanted to give them a little depth. I didn't want them to be flat on the tree, so I just glued them together with hot glue to make them kind of like 3D. Well, I have my tree ready to decorate. I was inspired by my friend Gretchen, she does a senior tree every year for each one of her seniors. This is my inspiration, my friend Gretchen's tree. She has twin boys graduating this year. Her boys and my son have been together for many years playing sports. Congrats to Gretchen and her boys. Wanted to show you what I've done so far. I put these plastic plate footballs in there. I started with the stuff I really want in here, and then I think I'll add extra as I need it. But I'm loving it so far. It's looking adorable. I got these little green decorations that my sister had given me from a birthday party for her son. She thought I could use them. And I put the pictures on a ribbon, which I think just added a little to it. And just the footballs and this garland. That's all I've done so far. So I'm gonna keep working. I'm gonna put my ornaments on and see how it goes. I found some of Alex's youth jerseys, and I think I'm gonna try to make a tree skirt with them. I have ribbon, and I'm gonna try to tie the sleeves together so they lay kind of in a half semicircle. I will get back to you and let you know how that goes. This is gonna be adorable for my tree skirt. I need to vacuum and clean up, and then I will show you when it's all finished. The one on the left was his first jersey, I believe, his youth jersey when he first started playing in first grade. He was 6. Now he's 18. Boo-hoo. So the tree is finished. I'm gonna give you a little tour. I went with a football theme through my whole living room. I bought football pillow covers. I put football. When I say I have a lot of football decor, I mean I have a lot of football decor, but I did add the new pillows. I got those on Amazon in a set of 2 brown ones and the 2 checkered football ones. I had some little mats that I had bought, so I put those on my tray. And then here is the tree. with the tree skirt on it and all of the ornaments. I am super excited. Will this stay up through graduation? I think it just might. Again, I love the glow of the Christmas tree, and it's a good way to display photos. Another area of the house to have photos already up and ready. So I don't know. We'll see. But right now I'm going to honor Alex and his future and his past and just enjoy all of his accomplishments and enjoy the glow of the tree with him on it. I did use some of his ornaments that were on our regular Christmas tree just because I think they're so sweet. So I kept some of those on there. There's a ketchup bottle right there that you see. I put one of his old footballs right here just for decoration and a nutcracker that my mom gets him every year. And just a little more football greenery added to the decor that's already there. And this is my older son. I just love the fatheads. They make me so happy, so I'm keeping them out. Another pillow. I had bought that pillow last year. This is a pillow a friend had gotten me years ago. My husband says, "Is that going to stay up for a long time?" I said, "I don't know." And Alex says, "It's a bit much." And I'm like, no, it's never too much. I had put in my doormat and my wreath away, and I figured, well, since I'm back on the football theme, I'm putting it back out. Might as well enjoy it. Well, thank you for joining me for this graduation decoration tree makeover. I hope you got some tips and some ideas that maybe you can utilize for any sort of celebration that you have coming up. And again, thanks for watching. Please check out all of our content. We have lots and lots of ideas, always brewing, always thinking about stuff. Now you go out and find your passion today. Thanks so much for watching.